Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Makeup Time with Julia. In today's video we have this is the last palette. You know, I got 3 from unboxing video and this is the last one. We're just gonna try Integrity Wild Animal Palette. Okay, you have 18 shades and it's cruelty free and vegan. This very one is cruelty free and vegan. Yeah, side to side, and this is what you have here. So when I said it reminds me of Tammi, this is Tammi, this is Revolution Pro. Yeah, yeah, that's better. I don't want to show me your house, for God's sake. So yeah, there is a shade that is quite similar, you know what I mean, guys. So maybe one day in future we're gonna try and work. You see that yellow there, and you see the yellow on Tammi's palette, quite similar, even that orange and the red and this purple here. Yeah, I'm blind anyway, color blind. You see this purple shimmer here is yeah, this purple shimmer kind of very, you know, similar to this purple shimmer, these two. So the shade that is actually similar is this one and this one. I'll give it that. This one and this one, I'll give it that. This very one and this very one. And which other one? This blue. Although this blue is matte, but this blue is shimmer. Which other shade that is similar? This one and this one, nearly. They're very close. They're very close. So which other shade we can match together? Yeah, this one and this one. Okay guys, the moral of the story is there are a few shades here that is very similar to this other one. So maybe one day in future, I hope the camera was picking. Otherwise, I'm just toasting. One day in future, we're gonna try and use, maybe one eye use Tammi, then on the other eye and try and use a Revolution Pro. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is prime my eye. I'm using Cut Crease Canvas to prime my eye. So I'll do this eye first because I will say this is a bad eye because it's left and I don't do left. So I'll just dab that on my lid. I haven't used this for a while. I'll give you a few swatches. All right, okay, let's do this. This very one, this one here, this one here. Which other one? Few shimmers. This one here. All right, shall we go? Terrible Julia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this shade is bastard. It turned into something else. See that? It turned into purple. I like this. I want this on my lid here. This is the shade I'm using. Okay, as much as I can all over my lid, whatever, I think. Like what I usually do on every video. At the beginning, I do not blend because I want the pigment. I want all the pigment as much as I can have. That's it. Yes, you see that, guys? You see that? Okay, this shade here, it's like orangey shade. So I will just use this to blend up here all over my brow bone. Okay guys. Guys, I hope you're doing well. How are you? Just going to cut my crease off camera. What do you think? Let me cut my crease off camera because that can be a nightmare. Okay guys, so I have cut the crease off camera. I'm gonna start now. I have my brush. I'm gonna apply this shade all over my lid. this shade here. Okay, so I will just start dabbing this in. So I will use this, where is it from now? It's Rimmel. Okay, I will just apply this all over. Right, that's it now. My inner corner, what should I use on my inner corner? You put them, they are quite similar because this one do transform into purple-ish. I can use this. You know what, Sake? I'm putting this yellow. I'm using this yellow. It doesn't matter. Eyeliner on this eye, then do the other eye off camera. Then I'll get back to you after and give you my final thoughts. So for the palette, I must say, definitely recommend this eyeshadow palette. Then again, if you have Tammi times Revolution, like I showed you earlier on, guys, there is no point. You can use that one because there are so much similar shade from that one to this very one. There are a lot of similar shade. But if you still want to get this, especially if you are if you do makeup for people, or you are about to start your channel, you just want to build up your collection, you still want to get this palette, I will definitely recommend this. But if you have Tammi before, there is no point. You can just use that one because the only few shade that is different from Tammi and this one, I think is mainly is this one. This shade is good, but at the same time, you just need to know how to work with this shade. Yeah, that's it for now. It's a good palette. Currently available, Revolution website is also available, Superdrug. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's it for today. If you wonder what lashes I have on, obviously, yeah, it's MIT Lashes by Julia. They are available on our website. It's where you get these lashes from. Okay, now guys, so I will see you on my very next video. I don't know when this is the last palette from Revolution, so I don't know when I'm gonna get a new palette from there. I might not, because I now want my channel to base on tutorial, because I'm doing both reviewing. I'm reviewing a new eyeshadow palette as well as doing tutorial how to put it on, how it work on my droopy hooded eyes, stuff like that. But at the same time, I want my channel to base on tutorial. That means I kind of have enough eyeshadow palette to create any look. I might not be reviewing eyeshadow palette as I used to or so far. So I want to slow down. When I still find a good eyeshadow palette, I will still come and give you guys, especially if it's cheap, or a new foundation in town, or a cheap foundation, or a full coverage foundation. I will still be missing that in between, guys. But from now on, I just want my channel to base on tutorial. Anything I can teach, because in real life I teach. Yeah, I train people in life. So that's my life. So I believe I have something in me that I can teach. I'm still learning process and everything, but I just don't want my channel to base on review. So I want to teach. I want to be calm. I want to bring something to the table. To teach you how to apply eyeshadow. To teach you how to call crease. I want to teach you how I get this. I want to teach you how I call this crease today. I want to teach you how I apply my lashes. I want to teach you how I do anything I'm doing to my face. I want to do them individually. I want my channel to base on just teach instead of reviewing product for brands. Okay, guys, so I gotta have to love you right now and leave you because we have another video to catch up. All right, guys, so I will see you on my very next video, guys. You take care for now. Bye bye.